Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to edit your bank statement with PDF editor. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, you're going to type pdfe.com on the address bar of your browser. And then, you're going to see this on your screen. Next, we will click Upload PDF to convert, and then you're going to choose the bank statement that you wish to edit. On the screen, you're going to see all the available tools available for you to help you edit your bank statement. For example, to edit text, simply click this icon above and then double click on the text that you want to edit. After finishing editing, click on download and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Peace!